Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the E-Fusion car wash at Castle Car Wash.
Alright, now have we done a review on an E-Fusion before?
Yes, we have at McGee's car wash.
Is that the one where I got stuck inside the car
It
wash?
was in the old system before the E-Fusion.
Okay, we don't want that to happen again.
I think I see the car wash building right there.
I see it. Boy, that looks like a dandy-roo, as my papa used to say. To a a chiropractic place. We brought a bike out to him. Oh boy, bad memories. All the way over there?
Yep.
Okay.
Looks like there's a car using it.
That's okay. That means it's popular.
Yep.
And here we go. Put the mirrors in.
Yep.
And
let's just all right. Now we'll just wait. Oh, there's a car behind us already.
just about ready to rock, aren't we?
Yep, in a moment here.
You finance the car wash yourself, so we appreciate that.
Yep. Oh, and it buzzes too.
Ooh.
To tell you to exit. Alright, they're on exit slowly. Here we go.
It's our turn.
Yep.
Looking good on the rails. Oh yeah. I was born to do this.
Yep. Drive forward.
And there we go. Yeah, I was gonna say, let's open the sunroof. Alright.
Pre-soak.
And here we go. What do we say?
Let's do this.
Let's do this, YouTubers. Right? Pre-soak's always one color.
Yep.
How's it looking back there?
Great.
Good. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, looks like that's the rocker panel blaster.
Okay, here we go. Alright.
Okay, it's on pre-soak.
Yep.
Now it's saying washing. About to go up on the sunroof. Right about now. Now it's on the sunroof.
Ooh, that's strong.
Yeah. All right. Rocker panel blaster.
Okay. Oh, it only does it on the sides.
Well, the rocker panel blaster is the rinse down low that can rinse the tires, and looks like it's doing troubleshooting at the same time as well.
Okay. That's what I was
On
doing.
that pass. All right, now here's the rinse.
Okay. Sitting the rear window good?
Yep. Right, rinse. Clear coat protectant, which is on the sign. Goes on the roof.
Okay, pretty light clear coat.
Yep.
No, this.
Oh yeah, spot free rinse.
Yeah, that was strong.
Yeah.
There'll be no spots on this car, huh? Spot free.
Alright, spot free rinse. Alright, that means we're about to get the dryer.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And we get 2 passes, right?
Yep. Alright, blower.
So it waits a minute to start until it blows the water out of the nozzles, right?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Is it strong?
Let's see.
Should we open the sunroof and feel it on our heads?
Nah.
Okay.
Alright, it's coming back. This car wash is located in Mesquite, Texas. Alright, let's close this.
All right.
Yeah, I can go to my feet, right?
Yep.
Yep, I'm gonna pull over so we can check out what a great job it did and get the mirrors up.
Yep, and here's some manual bays.
Right in the bag.
It's clean, it's just not dry.
Right.
But it is clean.
Yeah.
I'll give it credit.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTubers. This was a E-Fusion car wash at Castle Car Wash in Mesquite, Texas. Bye.